Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your Google Pixel 4a, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search bar and type live fluid wallpaper. You can also take it from the quick list to get it faster, and we have to download this application from Mad Scientist. So let's install. Right now we can open. Click here, then move to the set as a live wallpaper and click here. And right now we are able to set different themes of this wallpaper. I will show you my favorite. Then go back and click to set wallpaper. And when we go back, we can enjoy this beautiful wallpaper on our Google phone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.